Remove the filter basket from the portafilter. Unscrew the cap found on the bottom of the filter basket by twisting to the left. To disassemble the filter basket, simply push the plastic disc through the hole found on the bottom of the filter basket. Remove the filter and plastic disc from the gasket. Clean the outside of the filter basket with a soft bristle brush. Using a needle, clean the holes of the filter. To reassemble, line up the pin on the bottom of the plastic disc with the small hole in the rubber gasket and push down until it snaps into place. Then, line up the same pin on the bottom of the plastic disc with the small hole in the filter basket and push down until it snaps into place. Screw the cap back onto the bottom of the basket to secure all the pieces. It is recommended that your filter baskets be cleaned every 200 coffees, or approximately every 3 months.